nail wrap is the perfect way to fix a broken nail. You can use fiberglass or you can use silk wrap. I prefer silk wrap. I feel it's a tighter weave, so you get a better repair. My vegan friends, you might want to use fiberglass and just do 2 layers to make it a thick protective layer for a crack. There's all your tools that you'll need. First thing I do is trim a piece of wrap. This is adhesive on the other side, so you don't want to handle it too much. I cut the piece and then I set it aside. The next thing I do is trim the nail. If it's a very bad break, I'll put a drop of glue first before I trim. Once it's trimmed, I file it to the shape that I would like it to be. And then I'm going to lightly buff the surface to improve the sticking of the glue. A drop of glue goes next to seal the crack. Now once that glue is dry, I want to apply my nail wrap right to the edge of the nail, sealing up the crack. Then I trim that rough edge and next apply some nail glue, being sure to saturate it well and get all the edges covered. Once it's dry, I'm going to use the light side of my file to lightly smooth the edges of the silk wrap. I want to avoid filing the nail and concentrate just on the edges of the wrap. Might take a little time to get it nice and smooth. Once I get that nice and smooth, I'm going to add another layer of nail glue, being sure to saturate it again, sealing all the edges of the nail wrap. And again, I'm going to let that dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to give it a nice buffing again. I like to use the nice fine files, get it nice and smooth. And again, another layer of glue, saturating all the edges. And a final buffing. Then a little bit of cuticle and nail oil. And look how good that looks. You can barely tell it's there. It's a little invisible band-aid for the nail. Now maintenance-wise, you'll want to add another coat of glue every week. Check your edges and re-glue. And hopefully it'll grow out with your nail. Thanks for watching.